Welcome to our channel, Crown Media Plus. In this tutorial, we'll review two CorelDraw tools for drawing squares and rectangles, the rectangle tool and the 3-point rectangle tool. What is the function of the rectangle tool in CorelDraw? CorelDraw lets you draw rectangles and squares. You can draw a rectangle or square by dragging diagonally with the rectangle tool or by specifying the width and height with the 3-point rectangle tool. The 3-point rectangle tool lets you quickly draw rectangles at an angle. The rectangle tool allows you to draw rectangular shapes, vector and pixel-based, and paths, shape outlines. Select the rectangle tool. Use the options bar to customize tool settings, like fill, stroke, width, and height, to get the effect you want. What is the shortcut key for the rectangle tool in CorelDraw? How to use the rectangle tools in CorelDraw to draw a rectangle from its center. Hold the Shift key while dragging the mouse. To draw a square, hold the Ctrl+CMD for Mac users key while dragging the mouse. To draw a square from its center, hold the Shift and Ctrl+CMD key while dragging the mouse. What is the 3-point rectangle tool in CorelDraw? CorelDraw enables us to draw squares and rectangles. We can create a square and rectangle by dragging with the rectangle tool diagonally or by describing the height and width with the 3-point rectangle tool. It lets us create rectangles on an angle quickly. Tool selection. Tools rectangle select. By clicking on the tool icon in the toolbox, shortcuts F8. Using the shape tool on standard shapes. To start changing the shape of an object, click it with the shape tool to display its nodes and control handles. You can adjust the shape of the object by moving one or more of the nodes. Each type of object provides a specialized set of shaping methods. How to rotate the rectangle box. Click the Relative to Object button on the property bar. Using the Pick tool, click the object twice to display the rotation handles. Drag the rotation handle clockwise or counterclockwise. Thanks for watching out and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time.